are.
Several dates were mentioned in the Supreme Court's order issued Friday. The first, coming up Monday morning, requires the state to file an answer to the lawsuit by 9 a.m. They're also requesting written arguments from both sides due by Friday, August 2nd. Take a look at this timeline of events. On July 5th, Arkansans For Limited Government submitted their more than 101,000 signatures for their proposal. This petition would put the abortion amendment on the November ballot for voters to decide. 5 days later, on July 10th, Secretary of State John Thurston rejected the proposal entirely, stating that the group did not provide specific paperwork in regards to paid canvassers. Thurston stated in his response that even if he were to count the signatures, the ones collected by paid canvassers, 14,143, would not be included, making AFLG's new total 87,382, just short of the nearly 91,000 requirement. About a week later, on the 16th, Lauren Cowles, on behalf of AFLG, sued Thurston, stating the organization did provide the paperwork required. On that same day, she also requested for the motion to be expedited and for AFLG to be provided emergency relief to fix any mistakes. Attorney General Tim Griffin responded on July 19th to this motion to expedite and request for emergency relief, saying that without counting the signatures from paid canvassers, the organization doesn't meet the required amount for a cure period of 30 days. On the 23rd of July, the Supreme Court granted AFLG's motion to expedite and ordered the Secretary of State's office to count all signatures collected by volunteers. After this decision, AFLG sent us a statement saying, part and quote, "Today's decision is reflective of our state motto, the people rule, and we look forward to that principle guiding the rest of the signature verification process." The Secretary of State's office complied and counted the signatures collected by volunteer canvassers only. However, the office says the group is still 2,000 to 3,000 signatures short. On Friday, the 26th, the court issued another order requesting both parties to submit simultaneous briefs by August 2nd at 4:30 p.m. Both parties then have until August 9th at 4:30 p.m. to submit responses to each other's briefs. Again, the state has until Monday morning to respond to the lawsuit. According to AFLG, if the court rules in favor of the group, they could either have the paid canvassers accounted for, moving them to the next step in the verification process, or they could be granted a cure period to collect the remaining signatures. If the court rules in favor of the Secretary of State, the proposal will be rejected entirely. We will continue to follow this story to get you the updates. In the studio, Katani Gooch, 4029 News.